Hey, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ruxar Ali, and now today in this video I'm going to show you how to install another operating system on your previously installed operating system on your laptop or your PC. So right now I'm using Windows 10 on my laptop, and as far as my requirement is concerned, I have to download a new operating system which is of Linux, and the name of that new operating system is Elementary OS, which is Linux distro, Linux or Unix distro. So to install that, first I would like to tell you that you have to download this Oracle VM VirtualBox. It lets you this software lets you install a new operating system and run your operating system on your existing operating system. So to install that, you need to go to you need to browse on your browser and search for Oracle VM VirtualBox, and you can download it from there. And after downloading, you can install this software very easily. Okay, so after installing this, now to install another operating system, just follow these steps. So now we have to go and click new, and after clicking new, so I have to name this thing Elementary OS. There are so many kind of OSs available on internet. You can find it, you can Google it, and you will find a better version than Elementary. I like this Elementary stuff. Elementary OS. It has nice design, and it has one of the main reason of me installing this Elementary OS is that it has less pre-installed apps. So that's why I chose this. And now then you have to select the type here, and the type that is Linux. Okay, so version here, I cannot find Elementary OS here. That's why I'm selecting Ubuntu 64-bit. If you're installing any kind of any other operating system, you can search over here on the version. If you can find it, then okay, go and click it. Example, Turbo Linux, Ubuntu, or Red Hat. But right now I cannot find Elementary OS, so I'll be just clicking Ubuntu 64-bit, and then we have to press next. And after that, it will ask you to give or specify memory size for your new operating system. I have 4 GB of RAM only, so I'll be giving it 2 GB of RAM. Okay, and then and you can give as much as you want depending on your RAM size. Okay, so now I'll be pressing next, and this is now virtual machine will ask you to have another hardest we can say partition for your new operating system. So now you will be clicking the option here which is saying create a virtual hard disk now. Okay, so just press it and press create. Now it will ask hard disk file type, so you have to select VDI, which stands for virtual box disk image. Okay, so just press it and click next, and now it will ask you that the storage on physical hard disk you want it to be dynamically allocated, or you want that space or the storage to be fixed. Okay, so I will be clicking fixed, and then you have to click next. Okay, after clicking it, I'm going to, and this now will ask you file location and size. So by default this VirtualBox is installed on your primary hard disk, which is I think I have my Windows installed on C, so by default every software goes into my C partition, and to change it I have to press this icon right there. Okay, to create my new hard disk. So I'll be going through my PC, and here I've created a new partition for that. And to know how to create another partition on your hard disk, you may watch my previous video. I have I told you how to you can shrink or you can create a new partition on your hard disk. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to click new volume F, where I have specified 50 GB space. Okay, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to save that file over there. Okay, and now in here I'm having 50 GB. Okay, 50 GB of total, or I can 40 GB I think enough. Another again this all depends on your system. You can give as much space as you want. Okay, so now just press create, and now it will take some time, and it will be creating a virtual hard disk on your PC. So now I'm going to pause this video, and when this after 26 minutes I'll be resuming that this video, and then we will move ahead in our installation of Linux on our Windows. Okay. Alright, so now this process is about to complete. Okay, and I remember this, guys, just like me, I'm a software engineering student. It's very important for the students of IT, computer science, and software engineering to know or to be familiar with a Linux kind of operating system. Okay, get over from Windows. Okay, because Windows is not made for the students of IT, or for those who want to program, code, or develop something. Okay, so at least give it a try. Okay, Google about different versions. So now after the completion of this, we will be going to the we are now seeing that elementary OS 64-bit. Okay, so now we're going to press settings, and after pressing settings, scroll to the storage. Go to storage. Okay, and now you will see the controller IDE, and in there you will see empty because there's no disk image file collected. So now after going there, you will be looking at this kind of CD DVD type of logo, and you'll be pressing there this. After pressing this, you'll be selecting choose virtual optical disk file. Okay, after selecting this, go through the folder where you have downloaded that disk image file of your OS operating system. I have downloaded this in my downloads folder. It's over here, elementary OS 0.4 stable. Okay, so I'm going to open it, and after opening it, now see that where it was showing empty, now it's showing elementary OS. Okay, so now you have to press OK, and after pressing OK, now you just have to start this. I'm connected to internet, and this process is running. So it means that you should be, or you must be connected to internet in order to complete this installation of the new operating system here. So after some requirements or some time, it will let you to the page where you can install your elementary OS. So you can see after getting connected to the internet, and now this is showing you the actual installation screen. Okay, so now here you have to select language. I'm selecting English, and now it will give you two options: try elementary or install. I will be selecting install elementary. I have to click here, and after clicking, it will give you another options. Depending on the size, depending on the system, okay, so I'm going to enlarge this. Okay, I'm going into full screen mode, and okay, so here it is asking me, and that preparing to install elementary, download updates while installing elementary, install third-party software. Okay, so you just have to You just have to click this, okay, and continue. There's nothing new for here, okay, so continue, just press continue here. After that, I think it will ask you the okay, so right now you have to click on erase disk and install elementary, and you can see this message over there that this computer currently has no detected operating system. So what would you like to do? So that means that it won't remove. You can you should have a separate partition for that, and to make separate partition you can watch one of our last video which I have uploaded on my channel, and you can learn how to create another partition. Okay, so just click on this erase disk and install elementary. Make sure that partition has not any kind of data. Okay, so that, because that's going to be deleted. Okay, so go and install now. You will press install now, and and after that you'll be pressing continue. Okay, so go and press continue, and okay, so now after pressing install now, will ask you that where are you? So I'm from Pakistan, and Karachi is on the map. Okay, so I'm going to press continue. After that, now we're very much closer to our uh, completion of our installation of this. Okay, so keyboard layout, I'm going to use English US, and okay, that's all right. We can choose another kind of a keyboard layout. Because I usually prefer United States English keyboard layout, and that's very I'm very familiar with that. Okay, so now press continue, and just finalize the your keyboard layout depending on the system. Again, I'm saying this depending on the system power. Okay, so now this will ask you your name, your computer's name. So I'm going to say that mine is Ali. Okay, so workshop Ali, and computer name should be MRA. Okay, username workshop. Okay, so and password, because I'm going to keep password. Okay, so now password is missed, and remember this password of yours. Okay, so my name is Ruxor, computer name is Maury, the username Ruxor670, and password has been set. Okay, so now just require my password to log in. Okay, so continue, press continue over here, and now you're done, I think. Wait for the next window. It's pretty much obvious that we are done here installing operating system. Yes, it's installing, copying files, blah blah blah. Just because. So here we are. It took more than an hour for me, and the installation is complete now. You just have to wait for the installation to be completed, and now I'm now going to press the restart now button, and after restart now, okay, so here we go, and now you'll be going to will be operating this elementary operating system. And one thing I've learned so far is that 2 GB RAM is not enough. At least you should have. So here it is, our elementary OS. At least I'm saying at least you have 4 GB is a must. Okay, 4 GB is necessary. Okay. So this is now our operating system, elementary OS, and now this is restarting. You can see it'll open up in I hope it'll open up in a few seconds. And God, it's so much. It's very frustrating, and I'm regretting how why I chose this laptop over my HP 6570B. So here it is. The system is starting. So here it is, our elementary OS operating system. I'm going to full screen mode so you can see it clearly. Okay, so this is our elementary OS, and it's asking me for my password, and I'm getting my password. Okay, so finally, alhamdulillah, here it is, our elementary operating system. We are using it on a virtual box, and here you can see this. Okay, so this is our beautiful GUI. Okay, soundbar, and notification battery. Okay, notification bar, power, and so you can find applications over there. Okay, and so here it is, Squash, Terminal. These are some of the softwares on which we will be working on later. Okay, so this was the installation process of our elementary OS in our virtual box. If you have any questions, you can comment or you can email me. Okay, thanks for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Okay.